We got severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County in central Iowa, southwestern Story County in
That's
central
us.
Iowa, northeastern Madison County in south central Iowa, southeastern Boone County in central Iowa, Dallas County in central Iowa, northwestern Warren County in south central
We're
Iowa
under this, I
until
think.
6:45 p.m. At 6:07
We're under
p.m.,
this warning
severe
now.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Perry to near Adel to near Van Meter, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Des Moines, Ames, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnson, Clive, Altoona, Waukee, Boone, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Perry, Winterset, Adel, Windsor Heights, Bondurant, Polk City, and Hudson.
Oh no, I just got another
This
one.
includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 64 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 109. Interstate 80 between mile
Another
markers
one.
110 and
Another one.
145. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Dallas, Madison, Polk, Story, and Warren.